Lu. Lu. Yes? It's different than Dhal. Dhal. You see, Dhal, the name is Dhal, but the sound is Dha. The, Dhu. Allah. Li, Lu. Yes? So heavy, light. This is heavy letter. This Dhal here is the light letter. Alright? Same thing. Where is coming from? Touching the tip of the tongue and the edges to the upper teeth and blow from the from your cheek. Wa. The tip of the tongue should be like wa. Wa. Yes? It's friendly letter. It has a both form, connect from both sides. Yes, it's above the line. We got it, Sheikh? You see the shape? Now, you can write on your book next to the letter the sound or the name.
Yeah, I did.
Wa end by itself. Wa beginning connected. Wa middle connected. Wa in end. If I put the fatha, if I put fatha on here, become wa. If I put kasra on here, become li. If I put dhamma, which means u, become lu. All the time we read first the letter, then the symbol, the sound. Yes? So, this is what? And the second one is? La. 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 Where's the la here? This is la, this is alif. You see it's connected because alif connect from the right. Ra by itself, because the ra doesn't, alif doesn't connect from the left. La in the middle, la in the ending. Yes? Any question about this stuff? We have covered how many heavy letters? 1, 2, 3, 4. Sad, Lad, Ta, La. This is the heavy letters.
4 letters, no?
Yes, 4 letters. So I want you now to open the first page of this one. Yes, that page. And let's see. Oh, sorry. And let's see how we're gonna read the letters. 1 second, Sheikh. Okay.
You want to come to them? Cool.
All right. No, you got it, Sheikh. You was in the right place.
First place?
Yeah, because we're gonna go with the alphabet first. All right. So let's see. Oh, sorry. Let's go in here. Can you see it, brother?
Yeah.
Can you see it? Okay. So now we have here the first one is
Alif.
Alif.
Ba.
Ba, 1 dot in the bottom. Ta, 2 dots on the top. This is light. Ta.
Ta.
Ba, yes?
Ta.
Sa,
Sa.
3 dots on the top. Jim.
Jim.
Jim is the name. Has a 1 dot in the middle. Yes?
Yes.
When I put fatha on the Jim, how I say Ja?
Ja.
It changing the name.
Yes.
Jim is the name. Ja. I don't say Ja. Ja.
Yeah.
G, and the last one is
Jew.
Jew. Yes? Not Jew, I mean, Jew
Yeah.
mean with the dhamma, Jew.
What's the dog?
Alright. And then we have Ha,
Ha.
Ha,
Ha.
He,
He.
Hu. But the Ha is also the name Ha. The name is also Ha, coming from the middle of the throat. Ha, clear sound. Then we have heavy letter. This one here,
Ha.
Kha,
Ha.
Kha. Yes? So even with fatha is Kha.
Ha.
With kasra, Khi.
He.
With dhamma, Khu. Kha, heavy. Then we have Dal.
Dal.
This is a name. Dal, end up with the lam. Dal,
Dal.
name. But with fatha, Da, light, not Da. Da. With kasra, Di.
Di.
With dhamma,
Du.
Do. Very good. Next one is Dhal.
Zal.
Same thing. No Zal. Dhal.
Zal.
The, Dhal.
Then your tongue is out, bro.
The tip of the tongue is out,
Right.
but it's light.
The
The with the sound of fatha.
Zal.
Yes? The
Right.
with the
The.
sound of kasra. Dhu, 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 sound of Dhamma. Next one, this letter is Ra, heavy. Ra with the Fatha is heavy. Ra. The Ra is both. Could be heavy, could be light. Ra with Fatha is heavy. With Kasra is Ri, light. I don't say Ri, I say Ri, smiley, Ri. Ra.
Can you say the difference between Ra and then Ra with the Fatah? Like what it sounds like differently?
Ra is a name. With Fatha is also Ra.
Oh, okay.
Same thing.
So
The name is matching with the sound.
You said it becomes heavy.
Heavy when I have a Fatha. Ra. But also the name is heavy. Ra.
Oh, so the name is...
Because the name also has a
already.
Fatha. Yes,
Okay.
Ra. But with the Kasra is Ri, light.
Ri.
With Dhamma,
Ru.
very good.
Ru.
Then we have Za. The name of the letter Za with one dot is the name is the same like a sound. Za. Za, like a zebra. Like a zebra. Za. 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 Yes? Then we have Z. Then we have Zu. Very good. Sin. Sin. Look, that's the name. Sin. And with Noon. Sin with N. Sin. With Fatha. Sa. No Sa. 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 Yeah. With Kasra. Si. With Dhamma. Su. Su. Yes? Then we have Sheen. Sin is taking shower. Becomes Sheen. The shower starts with the Sheen. 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 Yes? This is a name. End up also with Noon. Sheen with N. Yes? But with Fatha is Sha. With Kasra, Shi. With Dhamma, Shu. Alright. Now we get to our letters. Heavy. Sad. That is the name. With Fatha is Sa. With Kasra, Si. With Dhamma, Su. Heavy. Next one we learn is Dad. Then with Kasra is Di. With Fatha is Sa. With Dhamma is Su. Yes? Then we have, next one is Pa. With Pa. Pa, heavy, huh? With Fatha is Pa. With Kasra is Ti. With Dhamma is Tu. And his brother is Va. That's the name. But also with Fatha is same. Va. Heavy. Va. No Za. Va. Very good. With Kasra is Li. With Dhamma is Lu. Va, Li, Lu. Heavy. We got it? That's what we learned. Yes? So in this page here, next page, brother, I forgot your name again.
It's okay.
Next page, you're going to try to get the letters what you have learned. See if you can
Connect them.
and mark it or circle it. The letters what we have learned. Of course, Alif you have learned. Yes? Ba, Alif, for example. Ba, Ta, for example. Yes? Kaf, no, but Ba you learn it. Yes? Ha you learn it. Yes? Ba you learn it. Ba you learn it, for example. And you're gonna go and Sin you learn it. Sin. Ta you learn it. Ta you learn it. Ta and Jim. Ta and Ha. So you try to see when they are together so you can get the shape. And inshallah next class we're gonna, as we take, we're always gonna go through this inshallah. Alright, Sheikh? Any question about this?
I have a quick question.
Go ahead, brother.
I think Sin with Fatha is
Sa. Line.
And then Sad with a Fatha is
Sa.
Sa.
Sa. Light,
Okay.
heavy.
Okay, and then Za is just Z sound like
Za. Light. Za.
Z.
ماشي شيخنا؟
Okay.
Yes, please. جزاك الله خيرا. الله صلى الله على نبينا محمد. You got it, Sheikh?